human spirit. Your spirit is most powerful thing on this earth. It has immense power which you can accomplish anything which you even can't imagine today. It is immortal. It can't be burnt. It can't be destroyed. It can't be even cut into pieces. It is immortal. Your body will die, but the spirit will never die. You have to dig deep in the mines of your brain to dig out the nuggets of gold and the diamonds and the platinum in the form of ideas, in the form of beautiful, wonderful, compelling, highly successful and potentially successful ideas. You can create miracles. You have to just put a bit of self-confidence. There are people with ample opportunities, with greatest of the degrees in their resumes, but still they don't achieve worthy success. What may be the reason for that? The people who don't act on their dreams, the main reason are fear of failure, fear of rejection. They have so severely afraid in their minds, what if this idea fails? Oh wow, CS, you mean to say I have to act upon whatever idea comes in my mind? No. You have to validate the idea. You have to check its viability, whether it is your business, your career, household, or any other thing to decide upon. You have to balance your expectation, your skills, your desire, and the realities around you. The realities around you and the facts might be sometime not suggesting that your dreams will come true, but that's immaterial. Your financial status, your current social standing, your current family background, or your personality, the way you dress, the position you work upon, the organization you work in is immaterial to your success. What matters most is the burning desire to succeed, the burning desire to work upon your ideas until you reach your goal. That's what matters most